Nolan Engineering in upstate New York. Today we're going to demonstrate how to install the wall straps against the foundation wall. Here's a typical 8-inch thick concrete block wall that's pushed in. There's some cracking in the wall, and there's also some patching that was done. And you can see by looking at the straight post there how much that wall is pushed in. So the first thing we want to do is measure the height of the wall on the inside. We've got 7-foot wall, and then we want to measure what we call the backfill on the outside of the house. I can see from here, or you could go outside, that I've got 16 inches of backfill. That's necessary to calculate the wall strap spacing, which I've already done and determined to be 48 inches on center. So we'll install these straps at 48 inches on center. We will start, we usually start off the corner, but in this case, because there's a Bilco door here, there is no corner to brace this wall. So actually we probably will put one right here and then start our spacing at 48 inches on center. So the first thing we're doing is we're marking the location of the straps. We mark the center. This wall has a 4-inch top block. Some walls have an 8-inch top block. So we want to go to the center, regardless if it's an 8-inch or 4-inch top block. We mark the center of that block. We're going to put one on either side of the window, so we mark that block. And we're marking that block. Actually, why don't we go right here like we did over there, right here. Because it's the window's kind of a weak point. Oh. So right here, Colin. Oh. You want to, all right. You want to mark that one first, right in the center. That's good. All right, and then we'll go 4 foot over from that. I'll hold this for you. All right, and then you go 4 foot over from that one. And does that end up in the web part of it? Good. The other thing where we put the straps is you want to be in the hollow portion of the block. So this side of the block's hollow, this side of the block's hollow. There's a web stiffener here, so we want to be either here or here. So what you're going to need for this is a hammer drill, and there's 2 bit sizes. We have a 3/8 inch bit installed right now. That'll be for the top and the bottom hole.
Oh, we'll get it in. One way or another, my friend.
So what we use for the top and bottom hole is a 3/8 inch concrete expansion anchor, and you only have to drill the hole to the depth of that so that the threads are totally exposed. You have a hammer? Yep. He's got it. He's got it. So just tap that in just far enough where there's no threads exposed. So these straps are different on both ends. The bottom has 3 sets of 2 holes. The top has, it looks slightly different. There's 2 holes and then 1. And which hole you use depends on if your top block is an 8-inch or a 4-inch like this one. The 4-inch hole, you use the 3rd hole on the strap, because this top piece is going to bend over and secure to the sill plate. Another way you can make sure you have it right is once you're using the right hole, all the other holes should line up with the center of all the blocks below. All right, so now the strap is just secured at the top and it's loose at the bottom. So we're going to have one guy step on the bottom of the strap and tension it as much as practical, and another person will mark either the bottom hole or one up sideways, one up from it.
Come over a little bit.
And make sure the strap is level.
Right there, Colin. Put your foot down right there. Yep. You ready? Put your foot against it. Yep. That looks straight back there, Rich?
Let's see. Yes, it looks level.
Now, you want to go to the bottom or the second
whatever
one?
one's easier for you to drill, doesn't matter.
Probably the second one.
Yeah.
Probably the second one up. Okay. So now we have that hole marked. We'll just, you can leave it on. Just slide it out of the way. That's okay. We'll just slide the strap out of the way so we could drill the bottom hole.
Just
Is that the right side?
Well, it's not spinning for going the wrong way, dumbass.
Oh, I got that on video.
I know, right? Sorry.
No, I can edit. There's a blooper reel at the end of the video.
Right. Seriously.
Nice. That's good. We don't have to go
That's
super
tight,
tight.
yeah.
You don't have to over tighten these because the screws are not in tension.
Got it.
You can go ahead and do the top.
Yep.
I'm just saying that for the video.
Yep.
The screws are not in tension, they're in shear, so just snug them up. You don't need to break your wall or your nut. Great. Now we can see that strap is nice and taut against the wall. And what we'll do next, I'll probably put all our straps on it, then we'll come back with a smaller drill bit and simply drill through each hole. Then as far as the material at the bottom, you can just simply take some tin snips and cut off the excess that you don't need. Like that. And then we'll put one more bolt in there later.
Don't point me, just tell me which way I gotta go.
So we have
Little
the
more.
Here, get off the strap. Get on the strap, yeah.
top nut installed, and we're leveling the strap on the
Check
wall.
A little more
And
towards
then we
me.
will mark the bottom hole.
Good.
Alright.
Once you have the strap secured at the top and the bottom, you can switch drill bits to the smaller size one and go ahead and drill all the intermediate holes straight through. Alright, then what we do is we just take the epoxy, roll the bolt in it, and hammer it into the hole. And the last thing we do is install the screw to the rim board, and that will help the top of the wall not tip in. Thank you for watching this installation video. These straps are designed to be installed by a professional or homeowner. They would be a permanent repair to the foundation wall and stop the wall from bowing in any further. Note that we are making continuous improvements to this product, so the ones you order may have fasteners that screw in instead of having to be hammered in. Please feel free to give us a call with any questions, and thank you for watching.